My people, welcome to another episode for this Pidgin Vibes yarnings. Today, based on our regular yarnings, the matter can carry me go near my body. Like our Nema, one thing about that guy, injuries don't really affect the guy career. And one thing, when you be footballer, when you dribble well, you dey tend to get all those kind ankle injury and all those many things, or they mash you, the thing don't really tell on this guy. When I dey watch this video and the other day and the thing touch me, Neymar of before, Neymar go chop all these guys now. He will chop all these guys. Who they be? Really, most times I don't really see watch some of the games for Santos this season. The guy no one really ball. Now make you notice even as he see fit, as a lot they call him for Brazil. Normal they respect the guy, they regard him for Brazil, but as a lot they call him and they get their results in so fast. It's when they make Ancelotti coach. I also feel say injuries really rob us of this guy talent. We don't really see the real Neymar. We don't really see injury really disturb the guy. Injury don't let the guy shine the way he's supposed to shine. Because when I watch this video, I see Neymar before. Neymar go chop everybody, they go see score. When you can't see the way injuries dotted one, you can't really think reason wetin make Hazard quick retire. Hazard retire very early. Everybody shocked when they hear say the guy dey retire. So I just believe say all these things still join. The guy just tell himself say abeg, make I retire on a high. Because if tomorrow now Neymar say he won't retire, he no retire on a high. You understand? He go be like say he go come make people quick forget am. But if by chance now maybe he can't make the Brazil score, they come win World Cup, he use opportunity to retire, people go remember him forever. But as he just did now, the guy not really the ball for Santos. If he say he won't take the risk, make he retire now, as he just be like that, they'll quick forget him. Now you'll be the thing about the whole matter. The thing they pay me for Ramo because Neymar on a day, nobody get quick fit pass that guy for this world presently. On a day, I don't see any footballer when beat that guy for Dreambo. Anywhere they use until the Dreambo, he go Dreambo you finish reach ground. If you pick yourself. He pay me, I just feel say one thing when you just see kill the guy. You see that PSG move when he make. I just feel say na wrong move. Just that money see dey involved, money see push the guy go there based on the kind money Barcelona may PSG give back no fit still reject am, and the kind salary when they won't give am, he no fit still reject am. Say one thing about South Americans, they look money well because majority of them not really come from rich background. So South Americans, once they see opportunity, when we say you want to give them the money, they use two until they pack out. They don't waste time. They don't losing loyalty. They go pack the money before they go raising loyalty. So I just believe say that PSG move, just to favor the guy. That French league when he go, not to favor the guy. I don't know as I want to talk about, but I just believe say I don't say he meant for Barca before two ball. I believe one of the reasons when the guy see go there after the money, he won't come up for Messi shadow. Say he did Messi shadow. So he won't go PSG before. Maybe say na go be the main guy for PSG. Na go be the star of the team. You understand? But not gonna work that way. My people, when I watch this video, I won't leave on with this question. Neymar go fit still make Brazil squad for the 2026 World Cup. And if I thought say he make the squad, who he go bench based on correct form. My people, una do.